your girl TELEZA E, and it's on and motherfucking popping. I'm back with a highly requested video on how I do my traditional basic sewing. So if you're interested, keep watching. As you can see, I already started my braid down method. I did a perimeter braid, which is like a braid right outside the perimeter of the leave out, and then I did my regular basic braid down. After braiding your client's hair, it's very important to make sure that you not saturate, but grease the scalp. For any tension that's going to be taking place, you want to make sure that the scalp is greased. So basically here I'm just showing you how I start off installing the tracks. I put the needle through the initial little hole of the thread, and then I loop the thread around the needle with my finger and just pull it, and that's how I create a knot. I do that with every weft that I sew on. I go through the braid, as you can see, and I loop the needle right around loop the thread right around the needle and just pull. Once you get to the end of that part, I guess you're sewing in, as you can see, I double looped it. And now for this part, for flipping over the track, I use the, I guess, sewing downward method. Like I just sew downward and sew it, not through the weft, but through there, and create that little loop right there and just pull. And that's how you get a flat base when you're doing the flip over method. So as you can see, this is where that crown braid comes in handy. Once you get to the very, very top, it's going to be easier for you to have like a seamless type flat sewing at the top. But this is where the flatness comes in, that crown braid that you created in the beginning when you did your braid down. Gluing in track to the top is totally a preference to your client. Make sure you have that consent with them before you do so. But my client, she said she wanted I guess tracks to the top to fill in her top because it's very, I guess, thin or uneven or whatever the case may be. But you don't always have to do this method for every sew-in. Oh crap! Let's get into how flat this leave out is. Let's get into it. Okay, this leave out is giving me flat. It's giving me life. Point blank period. No, I'm just playing. But guys, if you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, send me comments, hit that notification bell, like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have a preference or any ideas of videos that you want me to do more of, let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys.